Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get white petals in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and look for flowers that have white petals. And then what I need you to do is make sure not to press F to pick it up. You need to go ahead and equip a hatchet. If you don't have a hatchet, what I want you to do is press tab on your keyboard. We'll open up the pocket crafting menu. From here, click on crude hatchet, and then make sure you have 2 pieces of any rubble, 2 pieces of plant fiber, 2 pieces of stick, and then you craft your hatchet. Once you have it crafted, you just walk up to that flower, then you just left click on it. And as you can see, it has dropped the white petal. So I'll go walk over there and let me open up my inventory. As you can see right here, we have our white petals. And that is how to get white petals in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.